Hello again. I'm here in front of the new Alpha models that we're introducing at PMA, along with my colleague from our digital imaging team, Mark Weir. Many of you know Mark from his blog posts, especially focusing on the DSLR category. Mark, welcome.
Hi Rick, how are you?
How are you? Could you tell us a little bit about these new Alpha models?
Sure. What we're showing here at PMA is our A200, A300, and A350. These represent three models in the largest part of the SLR business, the mainstream customers. The A200 we announced at CES just a couple of weeks ago. This is our new 10 megapixel model, which directly replaces the A100. This model is positioned at $699. But the news at PMA here is the A300 and the A350. A300 a 10 megapixel model also, and the A350 a 14 megapixel model.
So basically the same, just different megapixels.
Yeah, different resolution in these two models. But what we're highlighting in these two models is what we call live preview. And of course everyone's familiar with using an SLR, and you can use the eye-level optical viewfinder to frame your shot. However, what's a little different with these models is what we call live preview. And for those that are moving up to an SLR from a point-and-shoot camera, they may not be used to using an optical viewfinder as much. They are familiar with the shooting style where they frame the shot with the LCD. Now, what we've done is we've added this feature to these models, but we've done it with a unique second sensor design, which allows the cameras to shoot just as fast in the live preview mode as they do in the optical viewfinder mode. So without compromising any shooting speed, you can now enjoy the live preview.
So you're getting the benefit of the live view that someone who's used to a point-and-shoot camera would enjoy, but then over time, the DSLR enthusiasts will take more advantage of some of these different angles that the screen can.
Sure. Needless to say, after you become used to using a digital SLR, you may use the eye-level finder a little bit more frequently. However, what we've done with our live view is we've added a variable angle LCD, which can actually shift out from the camera and allow you to shoot from different angles. How many times have you tried to shoot from an overhead angle or from a below eye level angle? Without an angle LCD, it's very difficult to do that with an SLR. But because this LCD has that added feature, you can now have an advantage over just shooting with the eye level finder.
Now, how much will this model go for?
So the A300 model that you see here is 10 megapixels. This will be positioned at $799. And then the 14 megapixel A350 with the same feature set of angleable LCD and live preview, this will be positioned at $899.
Looks good. Thanks, Mark.
Thanks very much, Rick.